The first step on the Moon, Neil Armstrong's historic journey. On July 20, 1969, history was made when American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the Moon. This monumental event was part of NASA's Apollo 11 mission, which was launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. On July 16, 1969, Neil Armstrong, along with astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins, traveled over 384,000 kilometers, 238,855 miles aboard the spacecraft Apollo 11, while Collins stayed in orbit around the Moon in the command module. Armstrong and Aldrin descended in the lunar module, named Eagle, at 10:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on July 20, 1969. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface and spoke the now famous words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Wearing his white spacesuit and helmet, Armstrong became the first human to walk on another celestial body. Soon after, Buzz Aldrin joined him, and together they spent about 2.5 hours exploring the surface, collecting samples and conducting experiments. They planted the American flag and left behind scientific instruments and a plaque that read, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the Moon. July 1969 AD. We came in peace for all mankind." After about 21 hours on the Moon, Armstrong and Aldrin returned to the Eagle and then reunited with Collins in lunar orbit. The crew safely returned to Earth and landed in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 1969. Neil Armstrong's first step marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration and remains one of humanity's greatest achievements.